How to switch accounts on Reddit. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your Reddit app. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific Reddit account. Now, in order to switch between accounts, you have to first locate your profile. So tap onto your profile on your top right hand side. You will see a username. Tap onto it. It will give you an option of anonymous browsing or add account. Tap on add account. Now here at this page, you will be given an option of login. You may go ahead and tap on login. In case you don't have another Reddit account in order to switch to, you may go ahead and create one by these two options. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on login. Simply type in your username related with your Reddit account, type in your password, and then tap on continue. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account, and from there, you will be able to see two accounts if you tap onto this accounts button. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.